we have to be on cat control.
He's on the clock.
Well, I want to open the door, so he keeps flying into the door. He's like, I see you outside.
I'm so scared.
Here, Mom.
Birdie.
Come here.
Birdie. Yeah, Caesar's like, you're going to open that door again. I know you are.
Oh, there he is.
It's Mo I'm worried, or Caesar I'm worried about. He's right here.
No, Matt, don't turn on the fan.
Can someone please grab Caesar?
Here, Matt, if you
Here, grab Caesar.
keep filming the bird, I will grab.
Why are you
Okay. Because he, in his effort to get to the bird, jumped through his water.
Oh no.
Where's
Come
the
on.
other cat?
Come on, Birdie.
Do
They
we
don't
have
come
all of
uncalled.
them?
Cat.
Oh,
Okay.
the baby is.
Mo is locked in me and Rosa's room. Caesar is locked in your room, and the baby boy I'm not worried about.
Oh no, it's spinning.
Matt wanted to turn on the ceiling fan.
Wait, where'd he go?
He's hopping from. Okay, sure, let's go.
Something at him.
No, wrong way!